Good afternoon, everyone. Teacher Mitch is back again. Shall we start the class now? Oh, wait, are you sleepy? Well, since almost of you are so tired and sleepy, we will have first the icebreaker before we can start the class, okay? So, who among you here is an icebreaker? Anyone? Yes, Jane, you have? Okay. Please come in front to share it to the class. Okay, class, stand up. Stand up. Let's participate to this icebreaker for you to boost your energy, okay? Stand up. Okay. Okay, Jane, you can start now the icebreaker.
A few moments later.
So, how was the icebreaker of Jane class? Did you enjoy it? Well, if that's so, good to hear that you enjoy the icebreaker. So, class, please take your seats. Take your seats. Did you know, class, that if you are not mentally prepared, if you are sleepy, if you are tired, you can not focus on a discussion. So that is why I let you participate with that icebreaker for you to boost your energy, for you to be energized, for you to focus on our discussion for today. Okay? So it seems all of you are energized. So we can start our class for today. Yes, of course. So what was our last lesson? Last meeting, what was that? Yes, Abamela. What was that? Okay, about pie chart. Yes, very good. How about Mariami? What was our lesson last meeting? Yes, that was how we are going to create pie chart using non-digital tool. Very good. Oh, see? You are actively participating in our class. That's good. And also, did I discuss one digital? Ah, yes. Yes, I discussed one digital tool last meeting, which is the designer. So, and today, I will discuss another digital tool, okay, which is the Microsoft Word. Are you familiar with it, class? Yes, you are familiar with it because it is commonly used especially in school when the teacher asks you to create a research paper or to have your research paper or any documents, right? Okay. Before that, I will give you a little background of the Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word, or shortly MS Word, was created by Mr. Charles Semony, a developer, and Mr. Richard Brody, a software engineer. And it was created year 1983. So class, what do you think is the type of program is this? Anyone? Yes, Justin. Okay, exactly. Very good. Microsoft Word is a word processor program developed by Microsoft. It is an application used to process from the format, manipulation, save, print, and share. It is a text-based document. It is one of the most widely used programs of Microsoft Office suite. It is used in business, in schools, right? And also in personal purposes. It has many templates that will help you create documents like letters, posters, resume, receipt, business cards, invitations, certificates, and many more. So you can explore Microsoft Word. But today, I will teach you how to create pie chart using Microsoft Word. Actually, in Microsoft Word class, it is not only pure text. You can also have inserting pictures, inserting shapes, tables, and also charts. And today we will focus on the charts, specifically in pie chart because that was our last lesson. And I will continue that lesson today, okay? So first thing to do is to open your Microsoft application in your laptop or in your personal computer, okay? Actually, class, my Microsoft Word is version 2013. But if you have different version of mine, it's okay. It's okay because the content is the same, okay? So after you clicking your application, class, it looks like this. Okay, I'll choose the blank document because we only need to insert charts. We don't need to use templates for that, okay? So after that, this. So class, this is where you put your data, where you insert pictures, insert shapes, charts, and many more, okay? So as you can see at the top, you can see that different tabs. So there is a home tab, an insert tab, a design tab, page layout tab, the references tab, the mailings, review, and the view tab. So since we are inserting chart, we will click the insert tab. Okay? So click insert tab, then find the chart. So if you click the chart, that one. Okay? So as you can see, class, we have different types of chart. We have column, line, pie, bar, area, and many more. But of course, we will choose the pie. Okay? Click that one. And then we have a simple pie, a 3D pie, a pie of pie, bar of pie, and a donut. But for me, I prefer to use the simple pie. Okay? After that, it will look like this. Okay, class? As you can see, class, there's already data given for you to see how pie chart looks like if it has sliced parts, and also how pie chart looks like if it has data, right? So in the pie chart given, you can see there that the blue color, which is the first quarter, has the biggest part in the pie chart because according to the Microsoft Excel, the first quarter has the biggest value, which is 8.2, followed by the second quarter, which has the value of 3.2. The third quarter has value of 1.4, and the last one has the value of 1.2. And if you can see to the pie chart, the color orange or the fourth quarter has the smallest part in the pie chart. So, did you get it, class? Okay, very good. So, for you to thoroughly understand or for you to practice, I will give another example so that you will be the one to input the data and for you to make the pie chart, okay? So, here is the sample problem, class. You are tasked to have a survey on the cell phone brands that are used by the students in Smiley National High School. Among 1,000 of students, you are only choose 480 participants or students to be surveyed. And the results for that survey are the following. So, they used 6 brands of cell phone, which are the Samsung, the Vivo, the Oppo, Apple, Realme, and Huawei. Okay, class, we will input the data in the chart in Microsoft Word. So, cell phone brands of the students in Smiley National High School. So, the cell phone brands are the first is Samsung. Second is Vivo. Third is Oppo. Apple. Fifth is Realme. And the last one is Huawei. So for the Samsung, we have 96 participants who have a Samsung cell phone brands. Then Vivo is 100, Oppo is 68, Apple is 36, Realme is 120, and Huawei is 60. Okay, so see, we have now our own pie chart. So this is the pie chart of the data that we have gathered. Okay, so you can also change its design if you want, and also I recommend for a variety of color for you to easily identify the components of that particular data. Okay, so this one I prefer this design, um this one this one because it's already had a percentage. Okay, and also the legend that's beside that is the legend. So sky blue for the Samsung, orange for the Vivo, gray for Oppo, yellow for Apple, dark blue for Realme, and green for Huawei. And also you can adjust the sizes of the percentage of the data for you to easily see, right?
A few moments later.
So after I edit everything, this is the result now. So as you can see, class, the percentage now, the legend beside the pie chart are readable. You can read now the Samsung, the Vivo, Oppo, Apple, um, Realme, and Huawei. Class, as you can see to the pie chart we made, you can see there that 25% of the pie chart goes to the Realme. And if you look at Realme to the Microsoft Excel or the chart of Microsoft Word, you can see there that 120. So it has the greatest number of participants or number of students. So that means that 120 out of 480 participants uses the cell phone brand Realme. So that is why it has the biggest part in the pie chart. Okay, did you get it, class? Okay, very good. So class, since we are done making pie chart using Microsoft Word, it's time for us to save our document, right? So let's do it together. Okay. So go to the file up there. Then save as, browse. Then you are the one who decide where you put or where you save your documents. Okay, class? So I prefer to put that document to the desktop and rename as project. Okay. Then, okay. So that's it, class. Class, before you are dismissed, I would like to give you an assignment. A simple assignment. Which you are going to make a sample problem just like we discussed earlier, in which you can express it into a pie chart, and you will make a pie chart, of course, using Microsoft Word. Okay, that will be passed in our Google Classroom. I will set a deadline for that. Okay, are we good? Okay, so that's it. Any questions, class? Clarifications? Okay, so now you are dismissed. God bless and stay safe. Last.